Hello friends, so we are creating an e-commerce app. So in the last video, we created a OTP verification activity. So in this video, we will create a backend for login activity. So let's get started. Okay, first, create a new drivable resource file and name it as progress bar background and change the selector to shape and create solid color white and corner radius 400 dp and close this file and go to login.xml and below the edit text create a relative layout, wrap content and wrap content, and the background will be progress bar background and padding 20 dp, layout gravity center horizontal, gravity center horizontal, margin top 3 dp and close this tag. And inside the relative layout create a progress bar with 30 dp and height 30 dp and center imparent true, and assign an id for relative layout. Id will be login progress bar, and for the phone number text login phone number, and for the country code picker id login ccp, and for the password id login password. And also in the relative layout we need to hide the progress bar, so for that visibility gone, and go to login.java. Let's create hook for this. First edit text phone number and password, string phone number and string password, and country code picker ccp, and relative layout progress bar. And let us assign id for this. First for the phone number, find me by id dot id dot login phone number, and for the password find me by id dot id dot login password, and for the country code picker ccp equal to find me by id dot id dot login country code picker, and finally the progress bar find me by id dot id dot login progress bar. Now we need a function to validate fields. So the name of the function will be private boolean validate fields. First create a string phone number equal to edit text phone number dot get text dot toString dot trim, and copy this one and change the string phone number to string password, and phone number edit text to password edit text. And after that create if statement string phone number dot is empty, edit text phone number dot set error, enter phone number, and return false. Now create else if statement, else if string password dot is empty, password dot set error, enter password, and return false. And finally create else statement, else phone number dot set error null and password dot set error null, and return true. Okay, now this function will simply show error if the user didn't enter a phone number or password. Now create another function, public let user login, create view and import view all plus enter, and inside the function create if statement, if validate fields is not true return. And progress bar dot set visibility visible. And string phone number equal to text phone number dot get text dot toString dot run, and copy that and change the string phone number to string password and the text phone number to text password, and create another string user phone number equal to ccp dot get selected country code with plus and string phone number. Create a query, check user firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and inside the get reference you need to enter the root name. Just go to the firebase console and inside the real-time database you can find the root name here, users. So let me enter users and dot order by child, and the order by child will be phone number. It should be exactly same as this one, phone number dot equals to string user phone number. Just paste it here, and below this one check user dot add listener for single value event, new value event listener, and inside the on data change create if statement if snapshot dot exist phone number dot set error null. If the data already exists, then the error will be null, and create a string system password equal to snapshot dot child user phone number dot child password, and this one also should be exactly same as this password, and dot get value string dot class if objects dot equals sys password comma string password. If a user entered password is equal to the database password, then we will hide the error password dot set error null, and start activity new intent get application context comma homepage dot class, and after this type finish and progress bar dot set visibility gone. Just copy this one, and after that create else case and place a progress bar and create a toast message. The toast will be incorrect password, and for this if statement we will create else case, place the progress bar and create a toast message user doesn't exist, and inside on cancelled place the progress bar and create a toast message error dot get message. Now we need to access this function. For that, move to login.xml. In the login button create on click let user login. Now move to login.java and create another function public void login to sign up, create view start activity new intent application context comma sign up dot class. Now to access this function go to login.xml, you can create account and inside it type on click login to sign up. Now we are encountering an error, so let's see what it is. Yeah, type the semicolon here. Now let's run this code. Okay friends, this is the end of the video. So in the next video we will create a forget password activity. So until then, thanks for watching.